Assalamualaikum. This is basically the histological structure of the eyeball. The eyeball basically consists of the three layers. The outer vascular, the fibrous is the sclera. Then there the choroid, the vascular, and the innermost is a pigmented. That is the retina. Outermost the layers is the sclera. जिसमें हम fibers draw करने हैं and the fibrocytes. Then the choroid further consists of the three layers. Is the suprachoroidal layer of the melanocytes. Then the middle vascular layer and the choriocapillary layer. The suprachoroidal layer basically consists of the melanocytes. The melanocytes are the pigmented cells. The melanocytes are the pigment cells that contain the melanin pigment. So due to this we have to draw it with a black pencil. Then the suprachoroidal layer is basically containing the fibers and the fibrocyte indicated by the blue. Then the middle vascular layer contains the blood vessels. This is the middle vascular layer, and this is indicated by the blood vessels which contain RBCs, and the inner RBCs would be better if drawn by the red. Then below it lies the choriocapillary layer. The choriocapillary layers consist of the capillaries. These are the small, and these blood vessels should be drawn large. So these are basically the three layers of the choroid. Suprachoroidal layer, that is containing the melanocytes. Then the middle vascular layer, and below which like choriocapillary layer. Then there is the Bruch membrane. इसके बाद retina start हो जाती है, and the retina further consists of the 10 layers. Now starting from here, the pigment cells layers. This is the pigment cell layers on the Bruch membrane, and it contains the blue nuclei, and the black dots indicate the pigments, melanin. It also contains the melanin. So pigment cell layers के बाद आती है layer of the photoreceptor cells that are rods and cones की layer. These are the straight rod-like shapes, and this conical triangular are the cones, the rods and cones layers. Then there's the outer limiting membrane indicated by a straight line. Then there's a nuclear membrane, the outer nuclear layer. The outer nuclear layer, you have to draw all the nuclei indicated by the blue hematoxylin. Then there is the outer plexiform layer, which is indicated by fibers and containing the fibrocyte nuclei. Then there is the inner nuclear layer. The inner nuclear layer will be also indicated by the blue nuclei only, hematoxylin, no fibers. Then the inner plexiform, again same, then contains the ganglion cell layers. These are the nuclei of the ganglion cells. So it forms the ganglion cell layers. These are the small nuclei. इनको जो एक तरतीब में बनाना है ganglion cell layer को, और इनके in between 1 and 2, these are the neuroglia. Neuroglia are basically the supporting cells in their nervous system. Below which here lies the optic nerve की fibers, and then there is the inner limiting membrane. बेसिकली ये जो प्लेक्सीफॉर्म लेयर्स होती हैं, इनके अंदर फाइबर्स आ रहे होते हैं जहाँ पे एक्सॉन्स और डेंड्राइट्स का साइनेप्स बन रहा होता है, और न्यूक्लियर लेयर के अंदर इनकी सेल बॉडीज़ होती हैं, जिसलिए हम इसको हेमाटॉक्सिन ब्लू पेंसिल से इंडिकेट करते हैं. तो दिस वाज द होल अबाउट द आईबॉल. आईबॉल के अंदर मेनली हमने रेटिना की 10 लेयर्स पढ़ी, आउटर स्क्लेरा, देन कोरॉइड की 3 लेयर्स, और फिर रेटिना की 10 लेयर्स.